Welcome back to the channel, everyone. So today I'm going to be putting on this DNA motor exhaust, Catback exhaust. Headers and everything are going to come at a later date, but this is different, right? This is different because I'm not going to be using, basically we got it just for the exhaust pipe. Okay, we got it just for the exhaust pipe. Long story short, I did a little modification to the Avenger, and yeah, it's a 4-cylinder, but man, does it sound amazing. And I'm trying to get away from all that, so I want something deep. I want something mean. So what I'm doing is I'm going to be putting a cherry bomb right here where the resonator is. So I'm going to cut out that, weld that into there, and so not only am I getting rid of the resonator, I'm putting that cherry bomb in there. Okay, so it's gonna sound, it's already gonna muffle that sound right there. But this is what it comes with, right? This is what it comes with. Monstrous, right? Look at that. It's monstrous. Yeah, it's got a pretty good size hole in it. But what I want to do is, like I did my Avenger, is I'm going to go from that pipe, that exhaust pipe, to a 3.5-inch tip, just the tip, to basically make that sound deeper. Okay, like I said, I don't want that. I don't want that. I want something deep. So let's go ahead and get started on this, and let's see how this turns out. So mind you, when I lined all this up, I had already marked where I was going to cut everything. So that's the most crucial thing you can do, outside of remembering the angle that the backside of the pipe is going. So there you have it. It is now cut out. First things first, we need to grind the tip of this so we're able to weld this the right way. I am no professional welder. Okay, so now I got both of these. Grind it off on the sides, and I went and did the edges. So it looks like I got just a little bit of play, which is fine because I can weld that in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a couple of slots right here, slits, so that way I can kind of bend that metal and get some pressure on that. Change of plans. When I did my other project, I actually had a pipe that's perfectly over that and perfectly under that. So what I'm going to do, myself, is I'm going to use this piece of pipe, and I'll show you what I mean when I'm done. So basically, I'm just going to use this as a spacer. So we'll put that on there. Shove that inside of that. we have it. First set of welds. I am no professional welder, guys. I am just doing this, well, for one, learning experience. It was a cheap exhaust, so why not? And for two, if it works, see, I got the big humps right there, right there. Hey, you know, until you do something, you'll never know, or you'll never get any better at something if you don't try it. So I just figured, why not? Instead of doing clamps, I did a lot better running those beads than I did going around the edge. All right, here we are. I'm back. Okay, as you saw, all that welded. I set it up on the car, made sure everything was lined up, and then I went through and made marks where I can tack it. That way I can start welding this all together. And I even got some over here. Here we are back. I've got everything welded, fitted, and put on the car. Here's the exhaust. But do yourself a favor. When you set your exhaust up, make sure you lay all of this out. Because what I did was I flipped this pipe backwards, and then I cut that thinking that this piece was going in the cherry bomb. So then I ended up having to weld this piece back on because I had the hanger, right? So don't do that to yourself. Look at that beauty. The car is leaning sideways, that's why it looks kind of funky. But with the cherry bomb on the car, it sounds really good, actually. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna go the route I went with the Avenger, which I'll probably show. What the heck? Let me just, here, we'll go ahead and do it right now. I'll show you what the Avenger sounds like, and then we'll see what the Civic sounds like. You guys tell me if I should be changing over to this hollow tip, or if I should keep the muffler on the Civic, right? Because again, they both got 4 cylinders. It's pretty much the same setup. That's got a cherry bomb, but that's got the Avenger has the cherry bomb with the 3.5 inch hollow tip, and then the Civic has the cherry bomb, but has the muffler that it came with. So we'll see what you guys think. So you let me know what you think. Should I keep that original exhaust tip, because without that thrush, without the cherry bomb, I guarantee you that thing would have been squealing so bad, like your cheap exhaust kits. So let me know what you think, if I should go hollow tip or keep that muffler on there, and we'll take it from there. But yeah, guys, if you have any questions, comments, if you haven't liked and subscribed, please do so. I got more videos coming. She is a beauty. Love it. Just make sure you guys set your exhaust out before you start putting this stuff together. That way you don't have issues like me, and I will catch you in the next video.